Hey girlfriends, welcome back. Hey product junkies, because you guys are product junkies. Y'all went crazy for my product haul. So I've got a couple things since then I want to give away. I want to show you guys a couple things. I have this, is my address on this? No, I don't think so. I have this whole box of stuff. So we're gonna get right into the video. First things first, I have this I want to give away from Not Your Mother's. I didn't tell anybody about it, but I want it and I just wanted to open it on camera with you guys. I've held this in for a while. I didn't tell anybody because I wanted to tell you guys first. So it's so cute. It's so cute. The sticker on here. You got style. You think so? Like, okay, this is my first like official giveaway. Like, I've won giveaways, but like this is official. I feel official. And my girl, I don't know if she's watching this, but her Curlhaven or something like that on Instagram. Girl, we be going back and forth, and she always make me buy products and vice versa. And she was the first giveaway I won, and it was Not Your Mother's products. So shout out to you, girl. But anyways, so how do I open this? How do I? Okay, hold on, guys. I don't know how to open it. I want to keep this tape. It's so cute. Oh, okay. So it goes like this. Oh my gosh. What? No one does it like you. Girl, that's cute. I got some stickers, and then there's a little card in here. It just says, "Packaged with love, the Not Your Mother's team." Okay, Not Your Mother's. It comes with a little comb. I don't know what they think I'm doing with this. I don't know what they think I'm doing with this comb. I could pick a little pick action maybe. It's cute though. How about that? It's cute. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It's a pin. It says Curl Talk. Girl, this is going on a jacket somewhere. Girl, some way, somehow. Y'all gonna see that. Y'all gonna see that. And they gave me little mini, the Curl Talk gel and the cream, which I do have a video out on, so you guys go check that out. I did a versus, the gel versus the cream video. That's really cute. And then last but not least, they gave me this slip turban. I think Bianca had this, and it's like $80. Not Your Mother's. Y'all balling out on me. They iced me out. Not Your Mother's iced me out, y'all. I want to open it, but, oh, you can see it right here. So that's pretty cool. So I really appreciate Not Your Mother's for, I guess, picking me to win the giveaway. That was pretty cool. But I did buy some Not Your Mother's products on my own with my own money. Also had a sale, and thanks to her Curl Maven. I'm probably saying Instagram name wrong. Give me a minute. Oh yeah, her Curl Haven. Okay, I'm doing good. And I am gonna pull up my Ulta app. She is the reason why I spent all this money, because she's the one who told me that Ulta had a sale going on, and I had already missed all the Curlsmith stuff because it was pretty much all sold out. I bought two of the Not Your Mother's Naturals conditioners. They were both $5.39. They were on sale. This is their activated bamboo charcoal and purple moonstone. It's one of my favorites out of their whole like naturals line. I've tried like half of them. Probably a little bit more than half, but I really do like this one, so I got two. And while I'm on the Not Your Mother's kick, I got their leave-in conditioners. It's also $5 on sale. I think it's originally like $7 or something. This is their 3-in-1 leave-in, rinse out, co-wash. I'm not really a fan of 3-in-1s, but something about it was calling my name. So it's probably Not Your Mother's Curl Talk. I love Not Your Mother's. I love Not Your Mother's. So definitely, that was also in my video. Shameless plug. Okay, y'all, this is like a Not Your Mother's haul. I got some gel. I love their gel. It's in my favorites. It's probably top 2. Yeah, it's definitely top 2. It may be number 2 though, but it is my top 2. Got 3 of these, and I believe these are the whole line. The whole Not Your Mother's line is like $7.99. So, but I got them for like $5. So, love these. And then what is in my hair currently, what I just did a video on, is the Not Your Mother's Hydro Stylo, the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. And then with that I paired the Weightless Air Dry Cream, and these are on sale for $16 and $15 each. I believe they're $27 and $26 originally. So, and y'all could just see how that turned out. Y'all see. You see how it turned out. And the last couple things I got are skincare. I'm dibbling and dabbling in skincare. I got the Ordinary, the 10-minute exfoliating facial, the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. My friend recommended this to me. It's just an exfoliator that can you guys even see that? That you use once a week or once or twice a week. I only used it once, and so far it's pretty cool. I just don't know what to look for yet in skincare. With hair care, I know what to do. I know what's gonna work. I know what's not working. But skincare is a little more difficult. And the last two items that I did just purchase, and these are not from Ulta, obviously, but they are skincare. Is the new Fancy Skin. I didn't get the cleanser because I already have a cleanser. Trying to save that coin. But this is their fat water and their Hydra Razor moisturizer / SPF. And I did a video on these two. So pretty much this whole haul I've done a video on. But I did want to show you guys. That's all I got. I haven't really been spending money on products. So when there was a sale, I was like, But I do want to know what you guys want to see next. I have a couple ideas, but I do want to see what you guys want to see. So just let me know what y'all want to see. And I got y'all. I just said I want to see like 5 times. But I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Keep deep conditioning. And I'll see you guys next time. Toodles.